In a quiet village, surrounded by gentle hills, there lived a young girl named Lily. She was a kind and cheerful soul, who loved spending her days exploring the beauty of nature. However, the village faced a difficult time. Their once flourishing fields had turned dry and barren, leaving the villagers worried about their future. One evening, as Lily walked through the desolate fields, she noticed an elderly man, sitting with a heavy heart on a weathered stone bench. His name was Mr. Thompson, a respected elder in the village. He stared at the lifeless land with a look of concern etched on his face. Curious and compassionate, Lily approached Mr. Thompson and asked, "Hello, Mr. Thompson. Is something troubling you?" Mr. Thompson sighed and replied, "Oh, Lily, our fields used to be so lively, and gave us plenty of food. But now, they're dry, and I worry for our village's future." Lily felt a pang of concern for her village. She wanted to help bring hope back to their lives. Inspired by a small but hopeful idea, Lily approached Mr. Thompson and asked for some seeds. She made up her mind to plant them in the dry fields. With a small bag of seeds in hand, Lily ventured into the barren land. Each day, she woke up early and tirelessly worked on the fields. She planted the seeds with care, watered them, and patiently waited, hoping for a miracle. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months, but Lily never gave up. She continued nurturing the seeds, even when others doubted anything could grow in the dry soil. Her belief in the possibility of change kept her going. One bright morning, as Lily tended to the plants, she spotted a tiny green sprout peeking through the soil. Her heart soared with joy. "Come and see." Lily called out to the villagers, "The seeds are sprouting." The villagers gathered around, astonished to see signs of life emerging in the once barren land. Lily's determination and belief had started to bear fruit. Days passed, and more shoots emerged from the soil, growing taller and stronger. The barren fields transformed into patches of greenery. The villagers watched in amazement as Lily's garden began to flourish. The green shoots blossomed into vibrant crops that swayed gently in the breeze. Lily's perseverance had turned the desolate fields into a thriving garden, brimming with life. News of Lily's garden spread beyond the village. People from neighboring towns came to witness the miracle she had achieved. They marveled at the transformation and praised Lily's unwavering dedication. As the harvest season approached, Lily and the villagers gathered to reap the fruits of their labor. The once dreary fields were now abundant with corn, wheat, and an array of vegetables. The village celebrated with joy and gratitude. Lily's hard work and determination had brought back hope and sustenance to their lives. Approaching Lily with a heart full of admiration, Mr. Thompson said, "You've done something truly remarkable, Lily. You showed us that even a small seed of hope can grow into something incredible with dedication and belief." Lily beamed with happiness and replied, "When we work together and refuse to give up, amazing things can happen. It's incredible what a little hope can achieve." From that day forward, the village flourished. Lily's garden became a symbol of resilience and the power of hope. People looked at the once barren land and remembered that even in the toughest times, there's always a seed of hope waiting to be nurtured. Lily's unwavering determination and belief taught everyone that with perseverance and a heart full of hope, even the driest of lands can bloom again.